Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and today I want to share the tutorial how to do double save on the photos on your iPhone. So first thing we're gonna do is open the photos first here. Okay, so now choose the photos that you want to hide like here. Sometimes if you want to hide this photo, you go into these three small dots and then click hide. But if you click hide here, your picture will be hidden, but it still can be accessed on your photos. If someone like connected into your into your phone here, they can still access your hidden photos. But then how to make your photos is hidden without anyone knows? So you just need to click the photos, and after that please take a look on this downside on the left corner. You just need to click it, and after that please scroll down until you find save to files. Okay, and after you click the save to files, you can choose which folder or creating the new folder by clicking these three small dots, and after that click new folder, and now you can just type what folder that you want to have here, and after that you can click save. And now you can delete this picture, and to find out the picture that you saved before, you can just go into the files and find out the folders, and now you already have the pictures that you deleted previously. That's all the way how you do the double save on your picture. If you find that this video is really useful for you, don't forget to subscribe into this channel.